So here in North Carolina, it's starting to rain. The remnants of Hurricane Sally are passing through, and what a perfect time to notice what all this rain is going to do to our streams when it hits that impervious surfaces. We just learned all this stuff, so what a great opportunity to check it out and see what happens. So I encourage you to go outside, stay safe, but look at your urban creeks and see what the effect of all of that runoff has on our urban streams. And keep watching those videos. Have a great day.